Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well and have a good day. So in this video, I will talk about the tutorial of editing video in CapCut. So guys, here I'm using my phone Vivo Y17s, and if you are the Android user, kindly install it from your Play Store first, or you are the user of iPhone or iOS, kindly install it first from your App Store. And this is the look of the CapCut, and these are the menu to do, let's say, the project, or if you would like to know the template, let's say, you can click this template. And actually, if you would like to do the project in a Canva, kindly activate your data or connection, because this application requires you to do the project online. And if you are the user of the the CapCut Pro, this might be less of the advertisement. And since I'm not the user of the Pro version, this might be contain several advertisement. And let's get started from the new project. And here, let's say I will choose several video from my device. Let's say I will choose this video. There are two. You can just click or select the video until they are taken in the 1 and 2 number here. And if you already choose that, they usually will be appeared here. This is the preface. If you would like to, let's say, use the partial video, you can click this crop, and and then you can please click this section and slide it to the right if you would like to use this part of video. And if you would like to use all of this video, I mean in the whole duration, you can just give it a check and add. This application will direct you into the section to do and know more about every feature that you can use in CapCut. Let's get started with the ratio. Let's say you would like to post the video in let's say in a TikTok or in a YouTube reel. You can modify the ratio here. And I will, as you can see, there are several and a lot of menu on the bottom. Then you can scroll it from right to the left and click the ratio aspect. There you go, this one. Let's say, like I mentioned before, if you would like to make a video from this for the TikTok content, you can click this and give it a check. Then this video already applied for the content on a TikTok. And also guys, the CapCut usually also give you the watermark on the last section or on the last clip. And fortunately, this watermark can be removed. How to do that? You can just click this, and after it is already selected or blocked, and you can click delete, and it's already removed. And after that, if you, let's say, would like to remove the back sound, let's say, you can actually remove the back sound, or I'm going to say to mute the original back sound of each video or the certain video. We can click the video and I will go into the volume here. As you can see, once I click the video or the certain video, it will show you the specific menu to do some action. Since I would like to mute the back sound or the volume, I will click this volume, and after that I will slide this toggle to the 0 to make sure that there is no sound that audible from this video. Or you can also entirely mute this video for this clip 1 and clip 2. Then you can scroll a little bit to the left and mute clip, and it will mute the our entire back sound, and you can adjust it with the another audio that you want. And after that, let's try to did some effect for this video, let's say. Oh yeah, don't forget to click the section or select the video, and we can try to, let's say, click the effect here. Let's say I will start with the video effect, and let's try with this one. For your information, as you can see, there are the symbol of diamond. That means you require to do the purchase to upgrade this version of CapCut to be more pro version. And if you would like to try it the effect free, then you can just choose the effect that not contains the diamond here. Let's say I will start out from this camera focus effect. Give it a second, and it will show you the result. There you go. And let's say I will apply this effect, then I will just check it. Click here, and let's give it a test. There you go. Also guys, if you would like to modify the previous effect that we selected before, we can go to the effect here, video effect, and as you can see here, there are also adjustments to the effect. You need to log in to have the access to do the adjustment of the effect itself. So the effect can be, let's say, can be fastened or can be slowing down regarding to your one for the video. That's it. And what if I try to get some effect for the second clip? Let's say I will choose another menu, then I will try to give the animation. Just like in the effect, as you can see, there are also the diamonds here for the particular animation that you need to purchase the CapCut Pro to get the access more, but I will start off with the free version. Or you can also try and scroll down to get to know what they contains or what they provide. Excuse me. And give it a check. And let's try to play entire video. There you go. And guys, if you would like to speed all of this video, you can click the certain clip here and adjust the speed. Once you click the clip, then this menu will show up, and then you can slow it. Scroll to the left and click speed, and you can click the normal, let's say. And if you would like to speed up the video, then you can change it into twice, let's say. The faster of the speed, then the video can be more, have the minimum duration, guys. Or if you would like to slow down, then you can just slide it to the left, and the more slower or the slower your video can be more, or add more duration for this video. Let's check it out. As you can see that we have slowed down this video and the duration can add up. And let's say you would like to faster with another way, you can try to click this clip and try speed, but in another way, let's try curve. Then you can customize or use this several options. That's it, guys. So kindly you can try and also explore this every feature in the CapCut, and please let us know if you find any or another feature and also the menu to, let's say, get some effect, or is there any video that use the certain effects or animation. Please let us know in a comment down below. And if you would like to request any video or is there any feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.